How to add Navy Federal card to Apple Wallet. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Apple Wallet application on your device and tap on the plus icon on the top right of your screen. You will further see various options. Go ahead and tap on the debit or credit card option and then tap on the continue button. With this, your camera will open up. Now go ahead and scan the card and add the details required, or you can also simply select the option for enter card manually option and further verify and complete your card information and complete the form shown to you that includes your card number and other important details as such. Once added, tap on the continue button and with this your Navy Federal card will be added to Apple Wallet. So this is how you can add Navy Federal card to Apple Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.